actually the venue sponsors for this event, and we're certainly very honored, like what I said, to have all of you. Now, MIS, Marketing Institute of Singapore, we have been around for the past 51 years. All right, so we are actually an association existed to represent the community of marketers and sales professionals in Singapore itself.
My gratitude also extends to the Marketing Institute of Singapore for being the venue sponsor, and in particular, my good friend here, Mr. Roger Wang, who is the president of MIS and who's also the vice chairman of SUSS DBAC.